Hello children, how are you all? Hope you are fine. Children, today we are going to start the new lesson. Our new lesson name is My Needs Food. Okay, our new lesson name is My Needs Food. Shall we start now? Yes children. Children, is every relatives are staying with you? Is every relative are staying with you? Yeah, obviously the answer is no, isn't it? Children, imagine one of your relation, for example, uncle and aunt are staying in Chennai. Okay, after a long gap, they come back to Salem to spend 3 days in your home. How you will feel about it? How you will feel about it? You feel so much excited, right? Why? Why children? It's because of your guest. Isn't it? Because of your guest. So, what are all the things you will do special for them? What are all the things you will do special for them? Okay. Shall we see now? Yes. Children, now look at the screen. My needs food. Pawan and his family are having guests over. The guests are going to stay with them for 3 days since they are on a holiday. The family is busy deciding the menu for the different meals. Can you and your partner help them decide on a yummy menu? Fill in the table. Children, now they have given the table, okay, they have given the table. You are going to fill the different types of breakfast, lunch, snacks and dinner, okay, different types of breakfast, lunch, snacks and dinner with the help of your parents. Children, one has been done for you. Okay. For example, I received my guest last week. I prepared first day for Pongal. First day Pongal for breakfast. Okay. I prepared first day Pongal for breakfast and vegetable rice for lunch and corn for snacks, chapati for dinner. Okay. Okay children, why do we need food? Why do we need food? If you are not getting food for one day, what will happen children? We lose our energy, strength and so many bad things may happen to us. Yes? So, the most important thing in our world is the food. Yes? The most important thing in our world is food. Food gives us energy to read, write, talk, walk and so many things. So, now we are going to see the different kinds of food. Okay children, now we are going to see the different kinds of food. Children, India has so many states with so many people. Okay. So, look at the picture. These are all some kinds of food which are available in our country. Okay. Okay children, this is the food of Himachal. Okay. This is the food of Himachal. This is the food of Rajasthan. This is the food of Madhya Pradesh. This is the food of Nagaland. This is the food of Sikkim. This is the food of Tripura. This is the food of Tamil Nadu. This is the food of Karnataka. And last one, this is the food of Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, children, shall we move to the next one? Yes. Children, people from different countries, regions, cultures and religions eat different foods. The food eaten in North India is different from food eaten in South India. There are all kinds of food from across the world: American food, Chinese food, Italian food, Japanese food and so much more. There are so many different tastes and textures of food around us. Okay. Okay, children. Tom Yum Goong is a food of Thailand. Okay, Tom Yum Goong is a food of Thailand. Tacos from Mexico. Tacos is a food of Mexico. Okay, children. Tom Yum Goong is a food of Thailand. Tacos is a food of Mexico. Fish and chips is a food of England. Curry is a food of India. Pizza is a food of Italy. Greek salad is a food of Greece. Pretzel is a food of Germany. Sushi is a food of Japan. Cheeseburger is a food of USA. Dumplings is a food of China. Jamon is a food of Spain. Pancake is a food of Russia. Croissant is a food of France. Paella is a food of Spain. Sausage is a food of Germany. And nasi goreng is a food of Indonesia. Children, people eat different foods based on their age, cuisine, culture and personal choices. With the help of your family, talk to various people. For example, a person from any other Indian state or the different country. An elderly person, your mother with an infant, your classmate, a middle-aged man. Fill in the table. Age of the person, second one is native place, third one is foods that are eaten and fourth one is reason for eating those foods. Children, take this as a home task activity and complete it along with your parents' help. Okay. Children, I hope you have enjoyed this session. Stay home, stay safe, wash your hands with hand sanitizers, eat healthy foods, drink plenty of water and use restroom often. Thank you, children.